Hey everybody, we're gonna play a game. Hey, hey everybody, we're gonna play a game. Activity book, page 29. Okay, so we are going to play this game. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick a starting position. Where do I want to start? I want to start here because this is AJ. Hi, my name is AJ. Oh, what's wrong with my nose? My name is AJ. Okay. 你可以从这里开始，或者你可以选择从另外一个地方开始，但是你要记得你在哪里，所以你写一个东西在这里吧。All right. The first one is ahead. Ahead. All right. What we're going to do is we are going to roll the dice and see how many we get. How many is that? Yeah, it's 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to circle it. What is this? It's a t-shirt. What color is it? It's orange. Okay, 然后 I want to check. 我要查一下. Is t-shirt here? Legs, body, feet, arms, hands, head, eyes, mouth, nose, ears. No. Darn it. I didn't get a point. That's okay. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Rolling the dice. 6 again. Wow. Lucky. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are these? These are arms. Are arms on my list? Yes, they are. So I can write a star here or a check or whatever you want. Yay, I got 1 point. I can't wait to get all of them. Let's roll the dice. Beep boop. 2. I'm going to start here and go 1, 2. Hey, what are these? These are hands. Hands. Hey, hands. I get another star. Okay, can't wait to get another star. Rolling the dice. Lucky number 1. What is this thing? 1. What is this thing? Is that a nose? Is that a pink nose? Let's see if nose is on here. Hey, nose. Sweet. 1 down. 7 to go. Let's roll the dice. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are these? These are blue legs. Hey, legs is the first one. I already got it. Nice. You can play this game with a friend. See who can get all of them first. 现在你知道怎么玩，你可以跟一个朋友一起玩这个游戏，看谁可以先搞定所有。As for right now, let's play some other games. Unit 2, play Name the Picture. Let's do it. Are you ready to name the picture? Let's name it. Play. Okay, we got to be fast. Sister, brother, or mum? Oh, this one's hard. I think it looks like a girl. She has short hair, though. Is that a boy or a girl? She looks short. Is she a mom or a sister? I'm going sister. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. All right. Arm, eye, or ear? Arm, eye, or that's an eye. That's an eye. I got it. Woohoo! Nose, leg, or mouth? Looks like a leg with a foot. Nope, it looks like a nose. Nose! It's a weird nose. Foot, ear, or hand? I don't know. Hand! It looks like a hand. Oh yeah. Grandma, mum, or brother? Let's see. Who is that? Who is that? Looks like a girl. I think Grandma would have gray hair, so I think this is a mommy. Woo-hoo. Dad, grandpa, or sister? That looks like a boy. He's wearing a hat. He looks pretty young, but not too young, so that's got to be a dad. I was right. Dad. He's like... Dad, family, or brother? Family has so many people. This is just... Are you serious? Game over. We gotta be fast. Foot, ear, hand. Hand. Dad, grandpa, sister. Dad, I know that hat anywhere, Dad. Oh yeah. Eye, ear, nose. Eye, ear, nose. Eye, ear, ear. Eye, ear. Arm, eye. I knew that was an eye because it's blue. Grandma, mom, brother. Grandma, mom, brother. Grandma, mom, mom. Mom has yellow hair. Dad, family, brother. Dad, family, brother. I'm going brother. Yep, I was right. Sister, brother, mom. Sister, brother. Oh, no, no. Nose, leg, mouth. Nose, leg, mouth. Nose. Yes. Okay, I gotta go back and do this one. Sister, brother, mom. Sister, brother, mom. Sister, brother, mom. We got plenty of time, though. I've got 40 seconds, so. That's gotta be a sister. Sister. Alright. Let's play a different game. Sentence stacker. Stack those sentences with the angry man. I'm gonna go easy. They've got red hair, or they got red hair. They have got red hair, tie-dye. Who is she? She's my sister. Hey, what's the deal here? Who she? She's my sister. Who is she? Who is she? I haven't got blue eyes. I haven't blue eyes. I haven't got. 这是我没有. I haven't got. I've got brown eyes. I got brown eyes. I have got. Have got. This is my mother. This my mother. This is my mother. 当然是. Who is he? He my brother. Who is he? He is my brother. He is. Guys, stop taking my things away. They haven't got black hair. They haven't black hair. Of course it's they haven't got black hair. This is my father. Is my father. This is my... No. Is my father? This is my father. This is my mother. This my mother. This is my mother. 这是我的妈妈. They haven't got black hair. They got haven't black hair. Haven't got. Sansha have, Rahosha got. What haven't, Raho got. They've got red hair. They've got red hair, yes. And I've got brown eyes. I got brown eyes. I've got brown eyes. No, don't take it away. Woo! I win. I won easy mode. I'm gonna skip medium mode and I'm gonna go directly to hard mode. Let's see if I can do this on hard. They've got red hair. They haven't got black hair. I've got brown eyes. This is my mother. Who's she? She's my sister. Ah, crap. Who is she, Yingaisha? Aya. Who is he? He is my brother. I haven't got blue eyes. This is my father. They've got red hair. They have got red hair, Jusha. Who is he? He is my brother. No, don't take it away. This is my father. I haven't got blue eyes. Oh yeah. Everybody knows I'm the champion. Oh yeah. Alright, well that's it for the games today. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next class. Goodbye.